I'm going to present the project we submitted to InterSystems Vector Search, GenAI and ML Development Contest. Our project, the Company Search, is a REST API based on InterSystems Vector Search, designed to retrieve companies from a vector database using keywords. The vector database was created interpreting a CSV dataset that we acquired from Kaggle website and converting data on vector type. The API can locate companies that have semantic similarity with pros or cons evaluations held in Glassdoor reviews by using keywords. The Glassdoor reviews are available at Kaggle. You can find the link in the README. The API returns the quantity of companies requested with company name, location, overall rating, and a summary. This summary is generated by ChatGPT for Iris, and they provide users with an overview of the companies located by the vector search. Additionally, users have the option to request summaries focusing on positive or negative aspects of the companies. Essentially, this API offers users the ability to quickly obtain initial impressions of companies, whether for potential collaboration or service provision purposes. Now, let's explain our architecture. Here is the sequence diagram to explain the functioning of the API. The first step, the user requests the companies based on the keyword. Then the API search for the companies using the vector search engine. The vector search locates the number of companies requested and then returns to the API. The API sends these companies to the ChatGPT for Iris to summarize the reviews and then returns to the user with the information requested. Now let's talk about the installation. The first step is to clone the repo. You can find the link here in the README. In order to use the application, you need an OpenAPI key. The OpenAPI key is needed for the correct functioning of ChatGPT. After you obtain your OpenAPI key, you should put the OpenAPI key here in the end file. After that, you should run the docker compose up command. Here's the example. So you run the docker compose up, this will build everything, and this may take several minutes to complete. After the docker compose is finished and your application is running, you can use to perform your search. Here's an example. It takes some minutes to return the results. And here's some results provided. You can see that there is similarity with the search term and the return. You can now search using the parameters. Here's an example, focusing on negative aspects, and I'm search for 4 results. It still takes a while for ChatGPT to summarize the information about companies. And then here's the 4 companies with the summary. And that is our application. Thanks a lot.